departure now, isn't it? So instead of making a woman or a lady, or I thought I'd make a ladies man. So this is Sunflower Man. The reason he's called Sunflower Man is obviously he wasn't supposed to be a man initially, but when I laid out the chaos, I had a bit of an oopsie. I had used this new bronze metallic, and when I layered the colors for the chaos, I kind of poured a little too much, and I used it as a top layer, so that when I don't know, it kind of just took over. But then it created like this masculine feel. So I thought, well, how fun would it be to actually create a man in a suit? Yeah, everybody likes a sharp dressed man, right? That's ZZ Top, I think. I'm aging myself, aren't I? Yeah, sometimes I wish on YouTube you could actually use like popular music as opposed to like copyright free music. Because some of the, tunes, I'm probably aging myself, that you can find on Spotify and stuff, or like popular top 40 stuff would be really cool. But, I digress, whatever. Off camera, I'll admit, I kind of went in, gave a little bit of a chin and a little bit more of a coloring. I thought this was just too bright white against the flower in the suit. However, what I did learn about this is now I'm even more excited for the women that I do for the couture dresses, because this allowed me to experiment. I did one other one, Pretty in Pink, where I experimented with shading and stuff on her dress, and now I've done it on a suit. But let me know in the comments below if you like the men. I personally do. And I'd like to do more, maybe not all in a suit, but with the botanical head. I really love botanical heads. They're so much fun. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more men. Even if you tell me no, I'm probably going to do it anyway, just so you know. Yeah, I kind of just do my own thing most of the time. Let me know too, do you like the all-in-one video, or do you prefer when I split it up? I like the mystery and the intrigue of splitting it up, especially for those that are only interested in the bloom thing, that really don't care about my embellishment, because obviously the watch time on the bloom compared to the embellishment, fundamentally different. So not everybody's all keen on this, but maybe it's the way I present my videos too. I don't know, if you got any ideas, let me know. Or share my videos so people can see that I do this cool embellishment thing, assuming you think it's cool. I don't know if you think it's cool. I think it's cool. No, I think I'm really cool. Oh, I forgot to take you in for a bit of a close-up. Hang on a sec. Camera. Video. Yeah. All right, here is Sunflower Man with a little bit of a close-up. Try not to get the glare from the lighting. That's always a tough one. Like, I want it lit, but I don't want to, lit. That's a fun word. So there you go. There is Sunflower Man, a little up close to the tie and the shirt. I kind of like the pinstripe effect. Yeah, unfortunately men have no lips as far as I'm concerned. I don't think they'd be all of that luscious looking and voluptuous, so I didn't bother. I wonder what I'd look like if I did a beard. I don't even know if I can do hair, but anyway, the sunflowers are kind of fun, I think, personally. Yeah, I even used some neon, if you can believe it. So I used Naples yellow, ochre, I don't know however you say it, that bronze color, and primary yellow, and what else is in there? Neon yellow. Can you believe I use neon yellow? Yeah, I can't either. Huh. Anyway, yeah, this was fun to do. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, I got a couple of more videos that you can watch here while you're waiting for my next video. Ciao for now. See you in the next one.